Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, YouTubers. Today we're going to be doing an installation on a pull-up bar on this concrete wall here. Here on the little mini farm or our little house, we've got space is a premium. So we're having to do this in a special place in the house, the laundry room. So it's kind of a show you what's going on video. Hope you enjoy. What's up, YouTubers? Here's my materials for the pull-up bar that I got off Amazon for about 50 bucks. It's a big boy, bad boy, but I don't remember what it is. But I've lost all of the instructions on it. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get all of this on this wall. The reason I chose this wall in my house is because in this exterior wall, and hopefully, this is in the basement, so we'll get no seepage from water or anything like that. So come along with me as we try to figure out how to get all of this on this. Got all my tools here ready to go. As you see, drill bits, socket set, DeWalt drills, my little tool bag, all the essentials you're going to need to get this project done and started. Maybe you're trying to look at doing something like this yourself. I don't know how I'm going to get this up there, but I'm just going to follow what I basically know. I don't have any instructions. It's all going to be freehand by hand. We're going to figure it out. But if there's one thing I know, is that we have to take care of our bodies just as much as we take care of our souls. If we only read theology books, read our Bibles, but we just eat junk food, don't exercise, do all the kind of bad stuff that we know we shouldn't be doing, well, guess what? We won't have a body to use to share the gospel. So I hope you'll be with me on this one and watch me install my new pull-up bar at home. Thanks. This is the best choice 50-inch pull-up bar. Got it off Amazon. I think it's on sale for like 59 bucks. So as you can see, it's got three on top. 1, 2, 3. 3 connection points. Put it all together right there. I'm probably going to have to put some more mounting support on there, but for right now I think it's going to work. So best choice. Like it. Well guys, there you have it. Some minor mistakes here and there. Gotta figure it out as I go, especially without the instructions. You just do what you can with what you got. You know what I mean? It's not perfect. Hopefully this will hold up. I may come back with like a reinforced board behind it. I've seen a lot of folks do that. Maybe a couple of boards right here, put them to the floor or to the concrete. Might even drill some extra holes right here. I don't know what that would do to the integrity of the bars, but I mean overall it feels pretty solid. I mean, holds my weight up pretty well. So we'll see. Thanks for joining in.